I'm Mike Joy, and 20 plus years here, it never gets old. It's always fun, always a lot of great anticipation. As I'm joined by Rick DeBrule, Tyler Hoover, and April Rose, and yes, he is back, fully restored, fully repainted, with his knowledge base ready to share with you. Let's put the glasses on and welcome back our buddy Steve Magnante.
I'm thankful for all the positive thoughts and the medical professionals who kept my lights on, so I'm glad to be back, and let's get to it.
Yeah, and since Steve is our style guru, we've got to wear glasses in his honor. And you know, over the last couple years, the most common question I get on a regular basis is not how much a car is worth, but when is Steve coming back? So to have Steve back on the block with us, quite frankly, makes everything right in the world.
Absolutely, we're excited about it. So I'm resto-modding this leg, so I'm going to send a lot of time in the anchor seat. We're going to send Rick, Steve, and Tyler to the block. April's going to go out and find some cool cars to preview, and let's all watch Barrett-Jackson sell some cars.